Hey guys, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and today I'm going to be making an adorable elephant cake. So this cake is actually inspired by this adorable illustration I saw of a baby elephant and a baby bunny holding balloons. So I'm making this cake for a birthday, but you could definitely also make this for a baby shower. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give my 6-inch cake just a wash of blue and green. So I'm going to do like a watercolor blue like the sky and some green like some grass. So this cake's already been crumb coated and it is firm to the touch, and so I'm just going to go ahead and paint this really quickly. So I'm using Americolor Sky Blue and Leaf Green, and I want these really watercolor-like. So I'm going to be mixing it with vodka, and so it's going to be quite thin, just to give the cake a wash. So for my elephant and bunny, I'm going to be using this template. I found these online and I just cut them out after I printed them. I'm going to be using these to cut out my fondant. So after I cut out my templates, I'm going to be using my Americolor black edible marker, and I'm going to be tracing the outline of both shapes and then adding in those little bit of details. I love how these look like they are drawn, and so I want to recreate that. So I'm just going to completely outline the shape. So I do want these to harden, so I actually made some of these ahead of time. And the reason I want them to harden is because I want them to stand against the cake. So I have another set here, and these dried overnight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a touch of pink to both of the cheeks to add a little bit of color. So I'm going to be using powdered pink food coloring. If you guys watch my tutorials, I definitely have used this before. I really like the powdered for the cheeks. It looks really realistic and it's easy to work with. So I'm using like a super fine paintbrush, and I'm just gonna add like a touch of pink. And then maybe on the rabbit's ears. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and put my elephant and bunny against the cake. So now that I have cut out my fondant elephant and bunny, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and put them on the side of the cake. I'm going to add some balloons. So I'm just going to put some dab and hold on the back of each of my animals. Are some gumballs that I'm going to stick onto the cake using buttercream bunny cake is done, and I think it turned out even better than I expected. I hope that you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any ideas for cakes that you'd like to see me make, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.